Well, I'm joined by Rudolph now on the DrainTalent stand. Rudolph, I think third time DrainTalent have been at the show, is that right?
Exactly, third time at SALTEX. Yeah.
So have you seen it develop over those 3 years?
Yeah, definitely. Because the first year was for us really open, like what do we have to expect, and now we see that there is a lot more interest from several clubs, from colleges, from a lot of people around the UK.
So you've got some installations on across Europe, yeah, and I know Premier League in particular has been a focus. So is it a concept that people are really getting their head round?
Yeah, you see with climate changing throughout the years that the awareness of the availability but also the quality of water is getting more and more in the head and in the focus. Sometimes people say, well, water is going to be the new gold. And we have a solution which is very efficient with water, both if there's too much water or if there's too less water. And by solving that sort of problems, that's one of the head issues for a lot of groundsmen.
And in terms of your solution, have you got anybody close to signing? You're going to give us a little hint?
I can't give you the name yet.
But there's one close, yeah?
Several.
That's good. And any new developments? I mean, I think, DrainTalent has got, the main pitch installation that you can use on both stadium and training grounds, but you got a new product, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. HeatTalent. That's a new electrical undersoil heating system, which is installed at Utrecht Stadium in the Netherlands, and of course in our own research and development center. But that's a new project which is coming on the market in the UK as well.
So what makes that different?
Well, that's where you have a traditional hydronic system which uses gas mostly to create warm water to heat up a pitch. This is a system which installed by a stainless steel mesh in the soil, and that stainless steel is being converted into a heating element which heats up the soil.
So that stainless steel mesh, Rudolph, where does it go in the root zone?
In the lower root zone. But we're looking at other things like installing it in artificial pitches, and then, mainly, for example, in the shock pad or just below the carpet. So there are several ways to install it.
Okay, and I presume you've done some research in what impact that has on everything else that's going on around it?
Yeah, sure. Well, the main thing what we see is that based on the way the mesh is unisolated within the soil, and that makes a real difference with the traditional hydronic system. And what we see in the performance is that it's roughly 60% more efficient than a traditional system.
So that's efficiency in heating the soil.
Yeah.
In terms of power consumption?
Yeah, well, that has a benefit on the power consumption as well, because where a traditional system has, say, an efficiency of, for example, 40%, we have an efficiency of 95%. So 95% of each kilowatt hour of electricity which you put in the system is being transferred into heat. And that makes it the most efficient system, which has a benefit on the power consumption as well.
So that's on show here on the stand, and that's, I assume, available now in the UK if people want it.
Yeah, we have a demo unit over there, which shows the way it works.
Okay, great. Rudolph, good to see you again.
Thanks.
Wish you luck with
You
this
too.
one. Yeah.
Thanks.